da hayır diyemezsin.
O bütün dünya bunu konuşuyor.
But the whole world is talking about your arrival upon my invitation.
We're gonna have a good time.
Güzel bir vakit geçireceğiz.
We're gonna have a good time.
İyi bir vakit
I like
geçireceğiz.
this man a lot.
Ben bu adamı çok seviyorum.
Always, always.
Her zaman.
Oh, thank you very much. We have to get a picture of this. Come on.
Bir beraber resim almamız gerekiyor.
So beautiful.
Güzel çiçekler.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Nice to see you.
Welcome, Mr. President, the ambassador in DC.
Yes, that's right. You're doing a good job, by the way.
Welcome, Mr. President, Head of Communications.
Nice to see you. Very good.
Welcome, Mr. President, National Secretary.
Chief of Cabinet.
Yes, good. Nice to see you. Thank you.
Governor of Ankara.
Thank you very much.
Horticulture Ankara Garnishing Commander. Welcome, Excellence.
Nice to see you. Thank you. Like your voice.
Deputy Mayor of Ankara, welcome to our city.
It's an
Honored to
honor.
be
You do a
here.
good job.
Thank you very much.
Brigadier General Muharrem Özel. I'm the commander of this air base.
I look forward to seeing you. I don't want to hurt them. I don't want to hurt their feelings. Okay.
Teşekkür ederim.
Thank you. Thank you. This is a very nice building.
Bakanlığı.